Good evening. Today is April 30th, 2018, and the purpose of this video is to show you how to set up an IOTA web wallet. Few things I'd like to get out of the way. First thing is, I'm not a financial professional or advisor, so do not take any of this information as such. And the second thing is, if you're not familiar with the difference between web wallets, software wallets and client wallets and so on, I recommend you take a look at this video I recorded many months back where I explain the differences, but in a nutshell, some of these wallets are easier to use than others, and also some wallets are less secure than others. So generally speaking, web wallets are a little bit more at risk for being hacked or compromised, but people often opt for them because they tend to be more convenient. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to navigate to this page that I'm on. It's open on my screen right now, iotawebwallet.com. I've included this link in the description of this video. And when you arrive here, it'll bring you to this basically a summary page. And when you get here, you'll see there are only about half a dozen different places you can click, but what we care about today is the top right hand corner right here. You click on it and you'll see it says no wallet found. Okay, that's true because I don't have a wallet. So what you'll do is you'll click on manage wallets, and you'll have a variety of options, but for the purpose of this video we'll be creating a new wallet. So basically you create a new wallet. This is your seed. It's basically what I like to describe as a 81 character password. So I don't even need to explain it. This wallet does it perfectly. So it says, please write down the generated seed before continuing, as losing it means losing your money. So in other words, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you don't have a way to access your IOTA wallet, this seed is your only way. So you need to record this and store it somewhere safe and secure where you can access it if you ever need to recover your IOTA wallet. And just say continue with this seed. So I'll say, let's name my wallet test wallet. And this is the seed that we were just presented with. And password, I'll say the password is password. And then you can opt to forget wallet after closing the app. As a best practice, I think this is a good idea. Just opt to forget the wallet after closing the app. And you click on import wallet. Okay. So now when you go up here to the top right hand corner, you can see my test wallet. So I'll click on that and I'll type in my password and it'll decrypt the wallet. And now I am logged in, or I'm logging into my wallet. Okay, so it shows that I'm here, and then on the left hand side, this navigation pane, you can look at the summary of your wallet and also the summary of mIOTA. You could send to an address, amount you want to send. You can include an optional tag and an optional message, and then from here, if you want somebody to send you the mIOTA token, you just give them this address where they can just snap a picture of this QR code. And then from here, you can see the history of your transactions. So that's basically how you'd set up and access your IOTA web wallet. If you've got any questions, feel free to subscribe. I plan on doing some more wallet videos for IOTA, and I'll also be covering software wallets for IOTA. So if you're interested in those, I recommend subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comments section of this video. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.